Hey guys, so we are giving Ari's room a makeover, and I thought I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out. So I thought I'll just quickly show you guys, the before and while we're doing it, like while we're changing everything, and the after. Like we do have a few new stuff that we got, and there are also old stuff that we've changed up a little bit here and there, and I'll show you guys. So let me start by showing you how the room looks like. So it's a huge mess right now. I will have to remove all of the stickers. I've removed my dressing table, which was in that corner, and yeah, I am going to paint the wall. So yeah, I still have a lot of work to do. Let's hope I can finish it as soon as possible. And look at this cutie. Hey Ari,
Hi.
having fun?
Yep.
Can you please tell everyone what you're doing?
I am painting the shell.
What are you gonna keep in this shelf?
Book. I used to keep my toys, but now I'm going to keep my books because I have a new changed room.
Yay! Are you excited?
Yep.
Because I am.
I get those nervous thingies in my tummy also. Nervous and excited.
Okay, I'm going to sleep with you in your room, okay?
No. It's a private room.
Oh, okay. Okay, so my husband painted the other room, which is Ari's room. This is actually my filming room. So since Ari's moved, since I used to film in the room where Ari is going to sleep now I have to shift everything to this room. So yeah, and over here I am painting the bed. So the bed that we had is actually black, and I wanted to paint it white, or like off-white. So yeah, these are the knots for the bed, and we painted it golden. And yeah, this is for the old table. These are wallpapers, and I've just stuck it just to make it look a little bit more brand new and to go with the whole vibe of the room. So we're almost there. Removed all of the stickers, and we've repainted the wall white, like completely white. We got this canopy from I think from Amazon. So it's very pretty, and we also got that shade over there again from Amazon. So we did a little bit of bedding shopping as well. So we got new pillows, some bed sheets which are inside. I'll show that later. These again are wallpapers. It's not open. I'll open it up and I'll show you. So this is gonna go on that wall. I've not done anything to that wall. As you can see, it looks messy, but we're gonna put wallpaper over there. And all the plants from the balconies are here right now. So we've repainted the balcony as well. Like this is just one coat. We will have to give another coat. It's a huge mess, so we are gonna change things up over here as well. So yeah, I'm super excited to see how it's gonna turn out. Okay, so this is the blanket. We got a new blanket for her, and yeah, there are again pillows, and this is the grass that we got to keep over there in the balcony. Okay, I got curtains as well. These are the like lace curtains, the see-through ones. I've ordered the blinds as well, which is coming tomorrow, so waiting for that to arrive. It's very cute. It's got those tassels as well on it. So yeah, I'll hang them and I'll show you guys how it looks like. And I also got a bed skirt for her bed. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look like. This is the fitted sheets, and we also got this. I'll try to link all of these in the description down below if they are available online as well. I got them from the store. So yeah, I am going to arrange all of this now. There are a few more stuff that's coming. I've ordered a shelf to keep somewhere here. I am going to keep a few frames over there. So let's see how it goes. So we have Coco Decor over here. helping with the wallpaper. Yeah, subscribe. So the blanket that we got matches perfectly with this wallpaper. It is so pretty. So these are the curtains that we got. So we got these MDF alphabet boards from Itsy Bitsy, and I thought I'll make a cute little art for her to keep like on the door with her name on it, like just her short name, her nickname, which is Ari, and this is how it turned out. It looks so pretty.